Hi, I'm Bob. Thank you for watching the videos and solving the exercises with me for the past few months. We will tackle the 3 problems in the challenge part of Chapter 5 today. Let's see exercise 5.1. Governments generally limit the amount of the childcare subsidy. For example, in Washington state, the 2015 maximum subsidy for an infant is $31.47 per day. A binding limit on the subsidy creates a kink in the budget constraint. Show how a limit changes the analysis in the challenge solution. The original budget constraint is L0. The childcare price subsidy rotates the budget line outwards. The subsidy limit creates a kink in the new budget constraint, LPS. The first part of LPS is flatter than L0, and the second part has the same slope as L0. The original optimal bundle is E1. If the new optimal bundle is on the flatter part of LPS, then the analysis in the challenge solution is unchanged. The lump sum transfer gives the consumer higher utility, while the price subsidy creates more demand for childcare. If the new optimal bundle E2 is on the second part of the new budget line LPS, then the price subsidy will have the same effect as the lump sum transfer. The lump sum transfer shifts the old budget line L0 upward to LLS. LLS has the same slope as L0 and it goes through E2. So LLS and LPS overlap in that part. The optimal bundle with the lump sum transfer is also E2. The utility level and the childcare demand are the same for the 2 benefit programs. Let's go to exercise 5.2. How are parents who do not receive subsidies affected by the 2 childcare programs analyzed in the challenge solution figure? The childcare subsidies result in more demand for childcare from families who receive the subsidies. In the childcare market, the aggregate demand for childcare shifts to the right because the subsidies are a demand shock. In the supply and demand diagram, the demand curve shifts from D1 to D2. Suppose the supply of childcare remains unchanged. The new equilibrium quantity increases and the equilibrium price also goes up. For families without the subsidies, they face a higher price of childcare. Since the lump sum subsidy raises the childcare demand less than the price subsidy, the parents without subsidies prefer the former. Let's complete exercise 5.3. How could the government set a smaller lump sum subsidy that would make poor parents as well off as with the hourly childcare subsidy, yet cost the government less? Given the tastes shown in the challenge solution figure, what would be the effect on the number of hours of childcare service that these parents buy? Are you calculating a compensating variation or an equivalent variation given that the original family is initially at E1 in the figure? The original budget line is L1 and the original optimal bundle is E1. The new budget line with the price subsidy is L2 and the new optimal bundle is E2, where the new budget line is tangent to the new indifference curve I2. The lump sum subsidy, making the family as well as with the price subsidy, shifts the old budget line L1 upward to LEV. LEV is tangent to the new indifference curve I2, and it has the same slope as the old budget line L1. The demand for childcare, Q1 EV, is less than Q12 but more than Q11. We base on the new indifference curve I2 and the old prices to calculate the transfer because E star is on the new indifference curve and LEV is parallel to the old budget line. So it is an equivalent variation. It is about how much money should be given to the consumer to make her the same as on the new indifference curve with the old prices. Thank you very much for trying all the exercises for Chapter 5 with me in the past few weeks. See you soon in the next chapter. Take care. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.